This looks amazing, and it tastes even better. All done. They came out great, and they taste so good. I already had one, so did my kids. These were the cookies that we used to leave out for Santa every year. So it's definitely a staple at this time of year. I make it every year. I hope you enjoy. This was what Santa would find when my kids were little. Home-baked cookies, which I did last night, and that's the Santa recipe that we used to bake for Santa cookies. And although I'm drinking coffee, we used to leave out hot chocolate for him. Oh my gosh. Only in Vegas.
I'm good with water and champagne.
Soup is excellent.
I like those.
They keep bringing food and putting it on our plate.